Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to find Discord ID on PC. First things first, you want to open Discord on your PC, and on the left side, just click on your user settings or gear icon next to your username. Within user settings, click on Advanced and ensure that developer mode is turned on. If not, just toggle it on. After that, close the settings, then open the direct messages of the person whose Discord ID you want to find. Then click on the person's username in the chat. Then click on three dots or options next to their username. Fine, and click on copy ID here. Then the Discord ID is now copied to your clipboard. Lastly, just open any blank text space, Notepad for example, then just paste the copied ID. The pasted ID is the unique Discord identifier for that person. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you.